my name is Nancy Pinkston, also known as Fearless Mama, and we are excited because we were gifted these toys or playthings from Lovevery, and we are going to open them for you. We're going to open them for you and give a review. All right, with that being said, let's get started on this video. Landry, this is your kit. Do you want to open this one?
Yes.
Okay. This is called the Free Spirit. Oh, that sounds just like you.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Look at all this. Look at all that. This. It's like little sleeping people. It's called the Van Gogh Outdoor Adventure. What else is there, Landry?
A busing.
Are these for the campers?
This is where campers sleep.
Oh, wow.
So the people both when they wake up, it's like fly the bus.
That looks so fun.
Oh, it's so knocking down. Let's fly it off. The
Triangle. These are little solid wood stacking boulders. Oh, keys to your camper.
Let's do this. And so you go like this, then twist their hat and make it walk. And walk. See this?
Wow, a deep lock.
Let's try again. This goes here, this goes here, this to the top here, and these two go here, then the side out.
Now that I'm 3. How old are you, Landry?
3 years old.
3 years old.
L-A-N-D-R-E-E. Happy.
Big Poppy, like you. Oh, wow, this is a great book. What's in there?
Tape.
They go in this thing. Ooh, wow.
It's my toy. It's my toy.
Yeah. Lovevery gave it to us. Well, that was extremely fun. And then it goes all the way to 10. Okay, so let's clean up our work. We'll see what else is in the box. It's a matching thing.
It's for me.
Hmm. Look. Reach for the stars, matching cards. Soy ink. Okay, so these are, is that a match? They're both stars. So, they're both circles. What about this? These are all orange. These are all orange shapes.
These are all reds.
They are. They're pentagons. Okay, this is the last present in the box. Ooh, a puzzle. Whoa. This is interesting. These are not like circle. You have to find the strange shape like this.
This is a triangle. It has corners.
get there. And so it comes with this little instructions, and it gives you ideas for your child, like how to use the playthings, and also different creative ways you can play with the playthings. So I love reading through that, and especially the stages of development that your child is in. All right. Use this. What is it?
It's another sleeping bag or something?
You have a good guess.
It's a sleeping bag?
It's a nap mat.
Oh.
You can take your naps on it.
On the floor?
Yeah. And it's like it's like the campers. It's like you're camping with the campers.
Like leaning in the grass.
Ooh, I love that.
Let's wait outside of the room. Whoa!
So cute.
I know what.
Is it soft?
Yes!
You love it?
Yes.
Like your little campers.
She did wake them. He waked up. He waked up. He waked up. He waked up.
Are you awake?
Yes. Thank you, Lovevery. Thank you for my kids.
Okay, Collins, let's open up your play kit. This is called the Inspector for 7 to 8 months old.
I'm trying to be excited.
What did Collins get?
How to see? That's not him.
Ah. One day she'll be able to put it. Come out the other side. Can we try it again? Good job. Whoa! That was pretty good. Good job, big sister.
Like this.
Big sister showed her how to do it. What is this? Oh, it's a sign language book. I love this. And it's with like real people doing signing.
Like this.
I love that. Look, Collins. It's a treasure basket. And I think it comes with these little felt balls. Ooh. Look how cool that is. That's so fun. Okay, what else is here? Ooh, little stacking cups. Yeah. You like that? Yeah, you like that. These are fun. And they have little holes in them for the bathtub, I'm assuming, for water. It's a stacker.
No, it's not. It has holes in it. That is a sound machine. It's a sound machine. Ow!
Good job, Collins. Oh, Collins, you like to drink water. This is your own little cup. Show Mommy how you do it. Show Mommy. Yeah. Good job. That's exactly how you do it. Good job, baby. Good job. Yay. This is a little cute little puzzle with a little baby inside. She will love that. She'll have to work on that one. Oh wow. These are little flashcards, but they actually have like little texture to them. Like shoes and these shoelaces. And this hat has a little textured hat. These are so cute. Collins, look at this kitty cat.
Oh.
Here's the little inspector instructions or ideas. Look at this little cat.
He's so soft.
He is so soft. That's right, Nancy. All right, Collins. Oh, wow. This is a beautiful match. I love that these were already on there. Look, and it has a little focus flap. So we can put these little black and white cards for her to look at. She might be more into the mirror. I love that. It has all different kinds. And
it says no one.
yeah. Wow, thank you so much, Lovevery, for these amazing play kits. These playthings are Montessori inspired, which helps your baby explore and test her world and be able to think and problem solve, which I love, love, love. And if you would like your own Lovevery play kit, just head on over to the Lovevery website and you can go and select the play kits according to your baby's age or your toddler's age. These playthings are specially designed for your baby at the right time in their developmental stages. With that being said, we love our kits. Thank you so much. And that's all I have for you in this video.